Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a HubSpot website. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the website section. From there, you can choose to build a new website. HubSpot offers various plans, so select one that aligns with your business requirements. You can then pick a professional template or begin with a blank canvas to customize your site. Now, let's dive into designing your pages. HubSpot's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to arrange elements. You can add various modules such as text blocks, images, videos, and contact forms. Remember to optimize your content with relevant keywords for better search engine visibility. This step is crucial for attracting more visitors to your new site. Next, focus on customization and branding to make your website uniquely yours. Apply your brand's specific colors, fonts, and logo across all pages for a consistent look. Utilize global modules for elements like headers and footers, saving you time. Ensure your design is fully responsive, providing an excellent user experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, it's time to publish your HubSpot website. Before going live, meticulously review every page and test all links and forms to ensure they work perfectly. Connect your custom domain name within the HubSpot settings. Once everything is checked and approved, hit the Publish button to launch your new, professional website to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.